Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. I'll choose randomly what we will do today, and it will be CSS tutorial. Okay, that's good. It's kind of resting thing to do. But first, we will do a typing practice, 5 minutes of it to be exact. So let's just get into it. Oh, that's huge. Maybe I will be even able to finish it. Who knows? Let's go. CDK. Oh gosh, this we're still here. Yep. That's not Tilda, that's carrot. I will finish it. Bounce. Okay. 6%, 36 BPM. It felt fast to me. Apparently it wasn't so much, but this is not bad. 6% is good. So we will do what? CSS tutorial. Okay, so we free schools it is. And I will do the thing. I can change the project and I will do open. Yep. And I will open the CSS project. And this window, yes please. Meanwhile, we'll hunt here what we did or didn't do. So we had icons, display, matrix, pseudo element, counters, ATTR selectors. We did. The next thing over there is form, I believe. And I will split the page like so. Bum, bum, bum. Come on. Come on. We go down. ATTR selectors. So create another directory. And I have to go up. And that is 35. So 35, and it is what it was. Attribute selectors, no. Just the next thing in line. Forms. Forms like so. HTML. Forms like so. Forms. And here, what add to get? Yes, please. And here we will have a style. And inside we will do something with form. But I don't know how that works exactly. So let's have a form, I guess. Okay, here will be some fields. So input, type text, yeah, and that sounds good to me. And let's say value type here. So something, and then we will have a input, and this one will be button and value. This will be submit button, Oh, hello. Hi. Like so, and I will do what? I will close this guy and the seed side by side. Typing practice not needed today anymore. And okay, so I do Alt F2, show in Chrome. Okay, align submit button. There. Okay, so and we want style something here, so let's do form. And that we will say border, and we will say that was 1 pixel solid black. Yeah, here this will be on the next line. And reload. And we have that. Okay, cool. Is there more to it? I hope so. Oh, I didn't start the time. 6 more minutes then. Alright. So, your name, last name, sure. My name, my last name, country, Canada looks nice. Try it yourself. Okay. I wonder how they will split it in here. Okay, so input type text, there's some style, and here is form action page PHP. Submitted form data. Your input was received as something. Maybe, come on. I don't need too much space for this guy. Dun dun dun. Where's my background, by the way? Oh, well, never mind. I will keep it as it is for now. Last name, country, okay. So that is the drop down. Placeholder, okay, so they're using placeholder. I was using value, so let's placeholder, and this one as well. Placeholder, yeah, that's that one. And now when okay, so this should be value, and now this is grayish, and when I click here, let's see. Okay, so that works. How they did this? Like input, submit, value, submit. Input type submit, input type text, and select. And we have some labels. Okay, well, it's kind of straightforward. isn't it? Okay, styling fields, width property. Yeah, so we can do that as well. So let's say width, and that will be 50%. And when I reload it, it will be half of the size. Okay. Padded boots, I can do the padding. Okay. Hello. Hello. Sure, we can do that. So I can do padding. Form. Let's do just here. Padding, and let's do 10 pixels. Just for fun, and this should shift the buttons as well and the fields. There we go, and this doesn't have the thing. So we'll change that. We'll have input, and in here we will say padding, and this will be 15 pixels, like so. And blah, 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 blah. And maybe I can define it differently, and it is top, top, right, left, top, top, right, bottom, left, top and bottom, right and left. Okay, so I will do this, top and bottom, right and left. So this will be 0, and this will be 15 pixels, like so. Without the comma, okay. So that works. I need to save it. Okay. Blah blah blah. Looks cool, man. Looks cool. What else? Padded inputs. Bordered inputs. Sure, I can. Border radius is nice. Let's do that. There. Radius. I don't know. 5 pixels, for example, and I wonder what it will do. Oh, it's kind of nice. Duplicate that. Okay, so that doesn't help. So let's do, we have a padding, and we also have something else, which is, we have padding that is inside border, and then it, what is it? You know, like the spaces between those things. I'll have a look. I will know in a moment. Well, and here was this picture at the very bottom. Margin. Okay. So let's do margin of 10 pixels, for example. Reload, and there should be space around it. And it's not. Oh, here we go. Now it is. So looks kind of nice. I can do label, and here will be, this is a text field. And I can do this, I think. No, I cannot. Okay. Okay, so I'll do break line. Interesting. How they did that. Hello. Try it yourself. How they did put in the labels. Label. Input type. Border box. Whatever. Oh, man, I'm tired. But we will move on. Bordered. Colored. Yeah, show background color. Focused. This one looks good, so let's say input like so, and say focus like that, and we will say background color lavender. I like. Maybe I have to save it. Here we go. We can do magic too. Input with icon. That's the background image. Nice. Animated. Oh, wow. For example, we use the CSS transition property. I didn't know you can do that. So I want to try transition, and then we'll wait 1 second. Easy note. Okay, so we've got that, and then we will have input focus, and that will be width. Width, and that will be 100%. Like that. And I save. Maybe I didn't, I don't know. And now, oh, whoa, look at that, but it doesn't do the animation. It's kinda jumps. So what's different? So that's 50, so let's do year of 50 as well. It changes a little bit, yeah, but it jumps. It jumps. I have to specify this guy. Okay, I will borrow you. Do this. Save. Reload. Clickety click. Nothingy, nothingy. Oh, this one works. What if I do under 1 second? I don't know, man. Styling, text areas, resize, property. To prevent text areas from being resized, disable the grab range or byte button. Oh, there is one? Text area. Okay, so we will do text area in here. And how do you do that? Okay, we'll close you. Then text area. That is a tag. Okay. Text area. Name. Text area. Name. Maybe. Yes. Calls, rows. Sure. And now we should see something. It is there. Oh, that's cool. Kind of breaks the layout a little bit. Oh, that's life. Styling menus. Styling output buttons. Responsive form. What is it? Resize it. Oh, I don't want to. We'll go to the next La La Land. Counters. That sounds interesting. So we will 36 counters. Factory, that is 36 counters. Here we do HTML, HTML file, counters as well. Yes, please add counters. Enter. And I don't need anyone. Here we go. Much nicer. Counters are variables maintained by CSS whose values can be incremented by CSS rules. Counters let you adjust the appearance of content based on its placement in the document. Automatic numbering with counters. CSS counters are like variables. The variable values can be incremented by CSS rules, which will track how many times they are used. To work with CSS counters, we will use the following properties: counter reset, increment, content, counter counters, creates, increments, inserts, generated content, functions as the value of counter to an element, counter counters. To use a CSS counter, it must first be created with counter reset. Okay. What is this? Section, counter section. Oh, I see. So that is HTTP4. Oh wow, okay. So I want that. So we'll do it. So we'll close you, and this one should be on. And it is. Okay. So here we'll have a style and Then I will say body, yeah, and then we will have counter reset, just like that, or do I need to provide some parameters? Section, okay. So what were the huh. So that is the name of the counter, I guess. Okay. So here we will have h4 uh, before, and we will say content, and we will say what? We'll say hello, and then maybe it should be in, yeah, it has to be so it will be, well, go back, I'll select that and put it in there, hello, space, and here will be counter section, the name of the counter, okay, cool. Now we will create bunch of h4s, so h4s, and bam, hello, beautiful people, okay, and save it, run it, and so it says hello, okay, so there's a counter this, and then I will create another space, okay,